Good boy. Sit. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Good boy. Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Ready? Ready? Oh. You get worn out yet? You've only done this about 10 times tonight. Collected all the balls. Put them on the blanket on the bed. Just so I could throw them again for you. Because somehow you don't know how to bring a ball all the way back to its owner. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Are you tired yet? Are you tired yet? Oh, good job. Good eye. Ready? Ready? Oh, good boy. Ready? Oh, and you're too easily entertained. Are we done now? Are we done? You look pooped out. Yeah, you look tired. Look at you. I can hear you panting from here. Oh, that one was too easy. That one was right at you. Ready? What about 3? Can you do 3 at once? Was that just mean of me? Are you done? Are you about finished? I would call that a successful playtime. Are you happy now? Good. That's a good Odin. Okay.